You are the portfolio manager, managing several $100 million worth of assets at a private equity or pension fund, or endowment, or family office, or a fund of fund. These investments have done remarkably well, and you want to remain focused on unearthing the best. But you have a board meeting coming up, and they have been asking several questions. Performances of assets invested in 2011, 2010, and in 2009 after the financial crisis. How did you adapt your strategy? A favorite query of theirs is about the 10 to 15 largest investments by size and returns, along with the bottom 10 performing ones over the last 1 year to 2 year periods. Meanwhile, investors in the fund have asked for the risks in the portfolio, worried about rising interest rates. What happens to returns if interest rates rise? They want details of concentrations of different names by industry, by geography, and vintages. The compliance officer has asked about all the fees and expenses, and if this wasn't enough, with year-end coming, the accountants want the details of all the corporate actions. These and 100 similar questions are being asked every day. How much time can you spend answering these questions? Some of the answers will take weeks to put together, where data needs to be gathered, sorted, and aggregated. Another rising concern is costs for managing the portfolio need to be down. You have looked at portfolio management systems in the past, and they are rigid, expensive, and dumb, and can barely do the accounting for your specific portfolio. And infinitely valuable data and information is being lost when portfolio accounting is outsourced to third-party administrators. Microsoft's Excel has been the best option for day-to-day tasks. You have heard a board member discuss Pepper. It's intelligent, it's open, it's available on a mobile device, it's on the cloud, it's got the latest technology and some strong buzz. But what else can it do? Here's what Pepper has to offer to portfolio managers. It starts where your portfolio definition starts. You start with modeling a portfolio. This portfolio defines the structure for the set of assets that you would be tracking. Add the investors to the portfolio and the monies they have committed. Now you are ready to invest. Add assets as you invest in them. Pepper is designed to handle multiple asset types, including funds, equities, and fixed income types. Pepper forms deep circles around the assets, fetches external market data relevant to the assets, its financials, its connections, its geography, or its industry. This adds a layer of information key to your decision-making. Now you are ready to model deals in the Pepper. Along with each detailed deal information, Pepper will let you model all the fees and expenses that you are paying. As you do the deal, add your strategy, pricing, asset values, and even documents. Assets do not stay static over the life cycle of holding them. Pepper's got you covered. We let the system take care of the nitty-gritty of the distribution and whether the check actually reached the bank or which fund made a capital call, while you concentrate more on finding new deals. You are simultaneously tracking the current valuations of all assets, providing an accurate, current valuation of the portfolio. Make distributions to your clients. Distribute more capital. Call less capital. With tighter liquidity controls. Your investors will be happier. Your returns will be better. When time comes to answer those questions from the board, investors, and others, relax. Pepper does it for you. Its engines turn out the most comprehensive analytics that you need. Questions about market risks and concentrations and valuations and returns, done by Pepper. The analytics crunches spitting out responses to your most challenging questions, fetching data from inside the portfolio, and going to its big data engine to get market data, correlating, aggregating, and plotting them. The Pepper look-through sorts out the massive mass of data, financial numbers, and news, to give information that you never thought was possible. Meanwhile, you can now do stress tests and run what-ifs on the portfolio. Be known to have data on your fingertips, literally, as you grab your tablet to drill down. You can smile. You can talk strategy, risk, liquidity, compliance, audit, and stay confident. You know what you have. You are a step ahead of your competition.